Hey guys, is your wallet looking a bit slim? Can't afford higher-end gaming headphones from bigger brands, but exactly want the similar kind of experience at a jaw-dropping price? If you ask me, is that even possible? Well, it is. Today we have a very interesting review for you guys. We're gonna be reviewing the RPM Eurogamers Gaming Earphones Model 2. Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. I am Arnab and you're watching Next Gen Tech. So before I start with the review, I want to address a very important fact. In recent years, we have seen there has been a rise in streamers as well as gamers in the Indian gaming community, which has led to the increase in demand of budget gaming peripherals. And gaming earphones is one of them. And I consider gaming earphones to be one of the most integral part of gaming. So whenever you opt for a budget or a cheaper option, you end up getting a earphone or gaming headphone which doesn't sound good and causes discomfort to your ears. So what I have done is I've gone through the market, I have come up with the best option available for you right now in a very good budget or a price segment. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So guys, let's see what RPM has to offer in their packaging. As we can see, RPM has gone with a very minimal approach with the with the picture of the product in the front and some highlighting features at the back and some warranty information. Now let's dig into the box. Let's see what we get inside the box. We get the earphones. Noise cancellation detachable Mumbai. A Y splitter if you want to use it on PC, laptop, whatever. Some documentation and manual, and 2 sizes of ear tips. Now coming to the pricing of the earphones guys, it is currently priced at rupees 759 at Flipkart and 799 at Amazon. I got mine for rupees 600 during the Big Billion Day sale when it was actually launched back then. For that price, an amazing deal considering the performance you're getting out of it. If you want to buy one for yourself, you can find the links in the description below. The earphones you see here are completely made up of plastic and has a velvety or a rather smooth feeling touch when you touch this red color part of the earphone. The ear tips are at 45-degree angle so that it gives a very snug fit into your ears, and the ear hooks ensures that doesn't fall off when you are running or doing any kind of exercise. On the right side of the earphones, as you can see, it has a 2.5-inch connector where you actually plug in the mic. In the mic, you can see there is a hinge where you align the hinge with the 2.5-inch jack on the right side of the earphones and connect like this. The hinge acts as a lock and makes sure it doesn't fall off easily or doesn't like move when you're moving or turning your head. As you can see guys, RPM has gone with a semi open back design, which means if you look through the grills closely, you can barely see the drivers and its wiring inside the earphones. This is something we don't get to see very often in this price range, and I will tell you the advantage of this on the later part of the video. It also comes with a 90-degree T-shaped 4-pole 3.5 mm headphone jack for better convenience. As you can see, RPM has gone with a non-braided approach, which is pretty much understandable for the price we are paying for the headphone. Even though they are non-braided, I don't feel they are cheap. They are quite thick enough to handle some rough usage, and I think it's gonna be fine after prolonged time of usage. The detachable boom mic is also made up of plastic, and the stem is very flexible so that you can adjust it according to your likings. The earphones also comes with an inline controller which is made up of plastic and houses the mic just in case you aren't using the external one that is provided in the box. It also houses the volume slider as well as the call accept and decline button. You can also use the call accept and decline button to skip or play pause tracks. Coming to the sound quality of the earphones, this sounds amazing for the price. I have used many earphones and headphones ranging from higher end to lower end, but to be very frank with you guys, really wasn't expecting this kind of performance out of these earphones. These earphones sounds nothing less than premium. The moment you'll put this on, the first thing you'll notice is how wide the soundstage it offers because of the open back design of the earphones. The sound signature on these earphones is very balanced, which means it has the right amount of bass, highs, mid, trebles, which pretty much complements each other when you are listening to music. Now most of you will ask me, balance, does that mean it lacks bass? Well, of course not, it does not. It has the right amount of bass to go with the other frequencies. The output from these earphones is crystal clear. Even at higher volume it does not distort. But the place where I found it struggling a bit are the lows. The lows are a bit recessed by the highs and the sound separation or the instrumental separation is very mediocre. But at the end of the day, we can't complain much for the price we are paying for the earphones. These earphones will give you a complete experience. I'm really amazed to see how RPM has pulled off such an amazing sounding earphones at such a breathtaking price. So if you're someone who loves to listen to music, then it's going to be a treat to your ears. But if you're someone who listens to a particular type of music, EDMs as such, then take it with a pinch of salt guys. It's gonna be a hit or miss situation given that it doesn't have overwhelming bass. As the name suggests, it's a gaming earphone. So how does it fare when it comes to gaming? I have been using it for past 1.5 or 2 months. Since then it has been my primary driver. I mostly game on PC, so this review is a bit inclined towards my PC usage. But the performance would be more or less the same on other compatible platforms as well. Speaking about other compatible platforms, you can use these earphones on mobiles as well as consoles. As it has a balanced sound signature, it performs really good when it comes to gaming. We tried it out with some of the most popular esports titles available right now, like CSGO, Valorant, Rainbow Six Siege and Modern Warfare. The sound of the bullet and grenade in-game is perfect and doesn't hurt your ear that much. You won't find any trouble picking up the footsteps of the enemies. The directional or the positional audio of the earphones is pretty good for the price. You can actually pinpoint the enemy's footsteps from where they are actually coming from. So if you are someone who is getting into esports title and want a gaming earphone which doesn't break your back, this is the one to go for. If you're into battle royale games like Modern Warfare Warzone, PUBG or Apex Legends, I am sure you're gonna have an immersive experience as it takes the full advantage of the open soundstage. The only game that I found it struggles with is the Rainbow Six Siege. The horizontal and the vertical imaging while playing the game was a bit off. For the sake of the review, I also tried playing COD Mobile and the experience was also pretty good. After that, I shifted to console and tried it with my Xbox One X. The voice quality and the mic quality was also crystal clear. No problems regarding that. But the volume output on console is a bit low. But there is nothing to be concerned of because it totally depends on the source you are plugging it in. This part of this video is being recorded by the microphone of these earphones. The microphone volume is set to 100% right now and the microphone boost is set to 10 dB. As you can see, it performs pretty damn good for the price you pay for it. Your voice sounds very clear. It's very true to life and the voice pickup is also very good from this microphone. Coming to the conclusion guys, it gives us an incredible value for the price we are paying for it. It has a good mic, you can listen to music, play games, portable enough to be carried anywhere. You can just slide it inside your pocket or toss it in your backpack. Universal compatibility. If you're someone who doesn't like putting on over the ear headphone because it tends to make your ear warm and sweaty, well, this is the earphones to go for. It's like one solution for all your problems. Now after using it for so long, there is one con I would like to mention. If you have small ears, the ear hooks can cause some discomfort over time, but by no means it's a deal breaker. So you can just use it without the ear hooks. Thanks for tuning in guys. If you have loved or enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to subscribe. It will help us to bring more further new content in near future. Do hit the bell icon so that you get posted whenever we post a new video. If you have any queries regarding the product that we reviewed today, feel free to comment below. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. You can also reach us to our social media handle listed over here. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep smiling. Till next time.